I'm interested to know tactically, right, in shifting from a traditional to a virtual model, and maybe Zach, you can speak to this because I know you've had some of your dealer partners make that shift. Is there a learning curve for F&I managers switching from traditional to virtual, right? Is there a specific training that they need to have to be successful? Or on the flip side, is there some sort of like who should dealers seek out when they're looking at candidates? What sort of skill set should they really be looking for to know that this person would likely have success as a virtual F&I manager rather than a traditional F&I manager?
Yeah, absolutely. So I personally believe a great performing business manager can be a great performing business manager on virtual F&I. What I've seen firsthand is our dealers, they're really progressive thinkers. They're great operators. But what I'm seeing is sometimes there's a different level of capacity or thought between them and the talent pool in their stores. Can everybody from the top to the bottom of the organization think and perform at that level? And so what I really encourage you to do, or what I love about my role, that challenge, is being in the store shoulder to shoulder with those dealers. And through Jonathan and Alex and the virtual team, what we'll do is not only the big overarching concepts, but focus right down to the smallest detail. So for putting together custom process maps to your exact team, to your exact store, what does the blocking and tackling offensive playbook need to look like to be able to execute that deal flawlessly, not only to give your own associates the experience they want, but the customers. And when we take care of the customers is when we see the performance increase. So it could be those big overarching themes of when you ask a business manager, do this deal 4 miles away without moving, down to, okay, the other customers in the other showroom, how do you take a $500 deposit? Who does that? So there's a lot of little things to kind of talk about. And I would really encourage you to reach out to your field rep or Jonathan or Alex or the team, and we can really come shoulder to shoulder to you and put together that playbook.